how long should you wait to process your deposit po ba? So normally about it will not exceed 5 minutes. And the same thing with withdrawal. And ayun, basta very fast lang, mabilis lang, no. So hindi dapat siya matagal. So if something happens, so may mga chat support naman diyan, and or email. Yeah, so you can just contact them, and it will be processed right away. So ito very important lang, just a reminder for those trading, and this is the normal question or tanong sa atin sa mga messages. So, yun, kung ano yung ginamit yung pang-deposit, so let's say for example, CC, so doon din papasok yung withdrawal nyo, and it will be the priority. So, unless fulfilled na yun, so let's say for example, 50, nag-withdraw ka, 20 lang, so until ma-fulfill yung 50, yung priority will be your CC. So, kung other means or other methods, yon, after ma-fulfill yung kung magkano yung dineposit mo using that method. So I hope that is clear, or if you have any questions or clarification, you can just comment or just ask me sa messages.